Okay, so I didn't write a graphics dump utility for this. I was just simply wanting to, create a document to print out. Okay, so I went online and looked for various word processors, and they either didn't work or they wouldn't work with this printer or something. Uh, I also looked for some screen dumping utilities, and same thing. They wouldn't work with this printer. Apparently, this printer is based on the Okidata ML80. I think that's like dates back to the late 70s. If I read online what I think I read. So anyway, I still wanted to be able to, create something on the screen and print it out. And so I wrote my own little program to do that with. Let's see. And it's 11 lines long. So the way it works is like this. Okay, you run it, and it says stop at line 15. Alright, so clear the screen, and now you can type anything you want on screen. Don't press return, it'll give you an error message. Press break because it's in immediate mode, basically. And when you are ready to print, you can go to the bottom 3 lines and type continue and press return. And that's what I'll do. So, you got full cursor control. Just go to one of the bottom 3 lines and type continue. And there it goes. Of course, the rest of the screen's nothing. So at that point, just press break. Get that to where it'll show. Press break and it'll stop. Now I'm going to list the program so you can see what it is. I wonder if you can do list. Nope. So what you can do is type list quotation mark P colon quotation mark. I'm gonna list the basic program. So this is basically it's a basic screen dump utility for the Atari 1025 printer. It's 11 lines long. It's not very fast. It's written in BASIC, so I still haven't given up on creating a bitmap graphics screen dump. But that's going to take a little bit more thinking about. I tried to look up the printer codes for this printer and really couldn't find anything. I also looked it up for the Okidata ML80. Didn't really find too much either. So I think the Okidata ML82 has actually got a graphics mode on it, but that does not apply to this one, for which the Atari 1025 is based on. So I'm gonna have to do a little more digging on that, but I was kind of surprised that there's not a good word processor out there that can be that's available, that you can just, you know, type stuff on and print it out. Couldn't find one. Downloaded like 12 of them, 12 to 15, I forget, and none of them worked. You know, there was various problems with either they would work or they wouldn't print or they wouldn't work at all. And that's also a button with the option key down to disable basic. I think it's the option key. Anyway, so there's the program listing if you want to use this yourself. Have a good day.